What if your million-dollar business didn't need a team, an office, or even much startup capital? In 2025, that's not a fantasy, it's a strategy powered by AI. With the right tools, you can automate entire business models, scale content creation, build websites, manage clients, and sell like a seasoned pro without hiring a single employee. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. If you're serious about building real wealth and independence, this list could be your blueprint. Let's get started. The AI that designs, builds, and sells. Let's start with Beautiful.ai. It's not just a presentation maker, it's a high-performance tool that can win clients, pitch investors, or drive product sales. With built-in AI design logic, Beautiful.ai handles layouts, animations, and even team collaboration. Solo entrepreneurs use it to look like a full-scale design agency, charge premium rates, and close deals faster. When your deck looks Fortune 500 level and takes a fraction of the time, you can compete at the highest level without a design team or creative overhead. Automate the back-end, scale the front-end. Zapier is your silent back-end empire. This AI-powered automation tool connects over 5,000 apps, from Shopify to Google Sheets to Slack. It's what turns your solo hustle into a fully automated system. Let's say you run an e-commerce store. A customer places an order on Shopify. Zapier immediately triggers a Google Sheet update, sends an email, notifies you on Slack, and logs the transaction into QuickBooks, all while you're asleep. This isn't just convenient, it's how six-figure Shopify solopreneurs manage 1,000+ monthly orders without a single virtual assistant. Turn words into gold with Jasper and ChatGPT. Now you're ready to scale content. Jasper and ChatGPT are two of the most profitable AI content generators out there, but they serve different roles. ChatGPT is your fast conversational idea machine. It helps with outlines, summaries, brainstorms, and content drafts. Jasper takes it a step further. It's fine-tuned for marketers. Plug in your tone, goals, and keywords, and Jasper delivers high-converting blog posts, email campaigns, and ad copy. Some solo creators using Jasper are making over $25,000 a month by running ghostwriting services for clients who don't know the content is AI assisted as long as it works. Design killer visuals. AI visuals sell products. They make your brand feel elite, and Midjourney delivers that better than anything else. It's a high-end image generator that lets you build beautiful artistic photos and brand visuals from simple text prompts. Midjourney has quickly become the secret weapon for dropshippers, NFT artists, and ebook creators. One solo creator used Midjourney to generate an entire product catalog for a luxury print-on-demand brand and sold out in weeks. When your visuals look $10,000 level, you can charge premium without ever hiring a photographer or graphic designer. The AI video studio that runs while you sleep. If you're making educational training or promo videos, Synthesia is the cheat code. It creates stunning AI-generated videos using digital avatars. No camera, no script reading, no editing. Coaches, consultants, and SaaS founders are using Synthesia to make onboarding videos, product demos, and full-scale training libraries. Some report earning over $100,000 per year in passive income just by selling pre-recorded training programs that were built entirely with Synthesia. You write the script, choose your avatar, and let the AI speak for you. Claude keeps it safe and professional. For those handling sensitive industries like finance, healthcare, or legal, Claude by Anthropic provides a secure, ethics-first chatbot alternative. Claude excels in professional environments where tone, safety, and clarity matter. Financial consultants are using Claude to assist in client intake, initial budgeting conversations, or even prepping investment summaries. This lets them run a lean practice and onboard 3 to 4 times more clients without needing junior analysts or assistants. Framer and Webflow. What used to take a team of developers and months of coding now takes one person and a weekend. Framer and Webflow are two elite tools that let you build responsive, animated websites using visual tools and AI help. Framer is sleek, modern, and startup ready. Webflow adds CMS and e-commerce features, and now with AI capabilities, it can design responsive layouts, SEO-friendly code, and editable components instantly. Create dreams with Lumalab's Dream Machine. Creators with vision are cashing in using Lumalab's Dream Machine, a tool that turns your words into animated scenes or 3D models. Ideal for indie game developers, concept artists, or animation startups, Dream Machine gives your wildest ideas a real, sellable form. The AI project manager that actually works. Solo doesn't mean unorganized. Sora is the AI project manager that automates task management, sends intelligent reminders, and analyzes your workflow. It's perfect for consultants, freelancers, or online business owners juggling multiple gigs. A marketing freelancer we tracked used Sora for many client accounts alone, without missing deadlines or burning out. The AI predicts bottlenecks and even suggests smarter workflows, helping you scale revenue without touching your calendar every hour. Own the search rankings with Surfer SEO. Traffic still equals money. But now, ranking high on Google doesn't require hiring an SEO team. Surfer SEO analyzes competitors and helps optimize your content for first-page results, all while you write. Affiliate marketers using Surfer SEO report generating thousands of dollars per month just from blogs and review content. The tool helps structure your pages based on real ranking data, word count, keywords, headings, even image ratios. No guesswork, just strategic publishing. Grow a personal brand with Feedhive. Feedhive turns you into a content machine. For solo creators on TikTok, LinkedIn, or X, it automates your entire social media pipeline. It generates posts, optimizes publish times, and tells you what content performs best. One creator scaled from 3K to 150K followers in 6 months and landed brand deals, all by posting consistently with Feedhive. The AI doesn't just schedule, it helps you understand why your content works, so you can repeat your wins. Protect your reputation with Grammarly. Finally, Grammarly. It may not sound flashy, but in business, writing matters. Grammarly ensures that your emails, proposals, landing pages, and contracts are sharp, clear, and mistake-free. When you're representing a 6-figure brand or closing high-ticket clients, writing like a pro builds trust fast. With Grammarly's AI reviewing your tone, clarity, and delivery, you can hit send with confidence every time. Would you build $1 million brand with these? Every single one of these tools can help you build a lean, automated business with 0 full-time hires. Whether you're selling coaching, launching a startup, or scaling content, the key is stacking them strategically. So which AI tool would you build your empire with first? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, or better yet, tell us how you would turn one of these into a $1 million solo business.